Hi, everyone. Welcome to the Digital Experience Team Sprint or Iteration Planning video. We'll go over the work that we plan on committing to for the next 2-week period. Today is Monday, November 22nd. First up is Lauren Barker.
All right, so for this sprint cycle, it's a short one due to some holidays. I'm going to take 2 points to get re-onboarded to the GitLab product code base, set up my GDK, get all the stuff fired up locally. 3 points for helping push that MR through where we add Google Analytics to the product. We have an MR stage, so we just need to read and keep up to date and help with anything there. 6 points to track account signups and SaaS free trials. So we'll add a little snippet of Google Analytics there. And then I put 3 points for helping to ensure that Google Tag Manager does not enable third-party code to be added to the product without a review. So big sprint, looking forward to it. Pass it over to Nathan.
Yeah, I purposely went after you because I'm almost doing the exact same thing as Laura this sprint. Yeah, a lot of Google Analytics stuff, mostly revolving around the free trial. I did get the laptop from Michael today, so I was going to set that up, but then I got a call from Apple saying that mine's ready tomorrow. So I'll figure something out today. But yeah, pretty much just echoing Lauren. Jess?
So I'm working on this add a free trial CTA to the sign-in page, and I just kind of put in parentheses there that I can't actually put this on my board because it's not under digital experience at the moment. We could move it, but I just wasn't sure if that was the right thing to do at the moment. So keep that in mind with the issue boards. And then I just linked out to my issue board, and I've got kind of just a general free trial flow exploration. Still kind of working out what that is. And then also, if you read the FYI discussion about the Figma DRI, I'm going to be the DRI this sprint, and anything that should come up around Figma and design, I'll handle that. John, go ahead.
I will work on the Google Analytics implementation for 5 different issues. As a bottom line is adding some data attributes and testing with the Chrome extension. So I will be working on that this sprint. Tina?
Thank you. I was the DRI for the slipper maintenance issue last week, and I started a video section that I didn't complete, so I'll be wrapping that up this week. Also, we're connecting with Path Factory this week to learn a bit more about their web tool services for adding personalized content on the homepage. There's also a technical call happening I think after this meeting. So we'll learn a bit more about that. During our UX office hour, Jess mentioned that we still have a bunch of user testing credits to use up by the end of the year. So I'm going to run some tests on the features page, the Y Ultimate and Y Premium page, just to set us up for future iterations. Next is Laura.
Yeah, I'll be working on some of the Google Analytics work as well, primarily for demo page, footer page, blog pages, and stages of DevOps page. And then another one of the P1, P2 Google Analytics pieces is the site search, pushing to the data layer so that we have analytics when using our global search. So that'll be my sprint. And next is Mateo.
Okay, I will be working also on the Google Analytics. I will be adding tracking to a bunch of pages. That's terms 404, all remote company solutions, and topics. And next is Miguel.
Yes, this iteration, I'll be working on the migrations epic, the 50 pages migration. I'll be completing 2 pages in a new section, topics section. There will be cloud native page and digital transformation page. And also, if I get some downtime, I will work on the remaining solutions pages. So that will be my sprint. And next is Daniel.
Yeah, for this sprint, I will continue working on the migration from GitLab to Voyager Experience, digital experience. So I will work on GitHub's page and also DevOps platforms. And I still have some tech debt on value stream management. That's pretty much what I will be working on this sprint. Next one is Javi.
Hello, I'm working on trying to add Google Analytics tracking to comparison pages, both the landing, the single. I'm also updating Google Analytics on the primary navigation on both repositories. I have 1 point set to merging something that I've worked on from last sprint. I set 1 point to build Ruby build on my machine. That might end up taking more, but I've been using Gitpod and it's been working fine. So that's like, if it doesn't work after 1 point, I'm just going to keep doing what I've been doing. And then I have 2 points for 2 different issues for different UI updates, both the card plates and the buttons. I don't think I'll get finished with either because we just keep been pushing back and back with other things. I do, however, want to set that time apart and just get progress forward, because I think before we've just been like, oh, like when we have time, like we'll do this. And like what I've learned is we never have time. So yeah, back to Laura.
Yeah, that's it for this sprint, and we will see you next time.